everyone, hope you are doing well. Welcome to Data Analytics full course. Today on our day 20 of Data Analytics full course, today we are going to learn about waterfall chart. Last video we have covered all the topics of our tree map. Today we are going to learn about waterfall chart, how to use waterfall chart on our Power BI dashboards, how to create, how to import the tables and all everything we are going to study today. Okay, how to do formatting of the waterfall chart. Okay, what is the waterfall chart and what is the difference between funnel chart, that we are going to learn on our today's day 20 session of Microsoft Power BI. So let's start our today's session. Now here two charts are given. Okay, first one is what waterfall chart and second is what funnel chart. Now here you can see this one funnel chart. Funnel chart is what from top to bottom. Okay, from your category what you are importing the tables, their top one to last one, last data will be getting, you will be getting the information of that. Okay, count you can get. Okay, from top to bottom. Okay, this one is funnel chart. Okay, and our today's is what waterfall chart. On waterfall chart you can see on our visual category, okay, breakdown, and third one is what y-axis is given. Every session I have said you that on tooltip is common. Okay, on every visual you can see tooltip is common on all the visuals. Cluster bar chart tooltip is common. The changes is what upside three axes are getting changed. Okay, in data is getting changed on if we are using any chart. Okay, here if I am using cluster stack column chart, if I am using here x axis, y axis, legends are given. But if I am using here say waterfall chart or any other chart, if I am getting first three are getting changed. Now here you can see on when we are using the waterfall chart, first one is what category is given. Now I will import one column on my category. Second breakdown I will import metro line. Okay, on breakdown, and one on y axis I will import the count of name that I have imported. Now here you can see, and one package also I will import here, count of package, that also I have given. As per our requirements, we can provide particular chart, particular column we can import on our axis, which are provided here. On x axis I will import. Okay, that's what metro line I will keep on my category. Now you can see here on waterfall chart all the data, all the information is provided us on the step wise. Okay, just like a waterfall chart. Okay, all the information are provided in the form of waterfall. Okay, step wise, stage wise is provided all the information. Okay, and last one it is total also given. That's the our waterfall chart here. If I am changing the column, if I am changing on breakdown, if I am giving the date column, you can see here it is getting changed. Okay, as per our requirements, as column waterfall is getting changed, means all the information is provided in the stages step wise is provided. Okay, from bottom to top, that one you can see as per our column. Now here we will make the formatting on title, we will provide here. Here on title we will provide waterfall chart. Okay, waterfall chart. Font text color also we can change, background color also we can change here. Okay, if I want my title on my center, that also I can provide. Three options are provided. First one is left alignment, center, and third one is right. This is left alignment, second is center alignment is provided. Effects, on effects you can change the background color of the particular chart, background you can provide. Okay, and here what I provided on category, I provided activity plan and metro line. If I will change here, okay, now you can see the count is also coming. Okay, although you can see the information here, data is getting loaded in the form of stages. Okay, stepwise all the information is getting import in, just like a waterfall. Okay, just like a waterfall chart. This one is our waterfall chart. From, and difference is what between the both chart. If I am using the funnel chart, from top to bottom information is provided to me, and if I am using the waterfall chart, all the data, all the information is coming from one of the stages that is used by waterfall chart. Okay, in next video we are going to learn about funnel chart. Hope you have understood today's video. Okay, next session we are going to use about funnel chart. Thanks for watching this video.